Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. Myself Abhishek Gupta, and I am going to present my seminar lab presentation on cloud storage in cloud computing, which is submitted to Mr. Ravindra Singh, Assistant Professor of Government Engineering College, Ajmer. First of all, I sincerely thankful my mentor, Mr. Ravindra Singh, who is motivated me to work on cloud storage. So first question is arises on mind is what is cloud computing and why cloud computing? So let's start. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power, without direct active management by the user. The term is generally used to describe data centers available to many users over the internet. So we can say cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system and store our data. Why cloud computing? So cloud computing platform provides easy access to a company, high performance computing and storage infrastructure through web services. Cloud computing platform provides also massive scalable, reliable, high performance on low cost. So we can use cloud computing. Content of this seminar presentation is introduction, key technologies, reference model, advantages, challenges, conclusion. So let's start. Introduction. With cloud storage, data is stored on multiple servers rather than on dedicated servers used in traditional network data storage. Data is stored on virtual servers from the user point of view and seems like it has been stored to a particular place, but it is not. The user data could be stored on any one or more of the computer used to create the cloud. The actual storage location may even differ from day to day or even minute to minute as the cloud dynamically manages available storage space. So we can say cloud storage location different every minute to minute. Key technologies. Key technologies of cloud computing is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, and storage as a service. Examples of infrastructure as a service is BT, T systems. Examples of platform as a service is Amazon EC2, Force.com. Platform as a service is used to applications, building blocks, and standard. Soft, software as a service. Software as a service is mainly used to applications. Examples of software as a service is Yahoo, email, Salesforce.com, and Google Apps. Storage as a service. Storage as a service is divided primary, backup, archive, and direct storage. Exam- Examples of Amazon S3 of storage as a service. Cloud storage. So, what is cloud storage? Cloud storage is a service model in which data is maintained, managed, and backed up remotely and made available to user over a network, typically the internet. So, cloud storage model is divided mainly three parts: public cloud storage services, private cloud storage services, and hybrid cloud storage. First, public cloud storage service. They provide a multi-tenant storage environment that's most suitable for unstructured data. Private cloud storage services. It is provide dedicated environment protected behind an organization firewall. Private clouds are appropriate for users who need customization and more control over their data. So, private cloud storage is more secure. Hybrid cloud storage. It is a combination of other two models that includes at least one private cloud storage and one public cloud infrastructure. An organization might, for example, store actively used and structured data in a private cloud and unstructured and archive data in a public cloud. So we can say Pri- private cloud is used to structured data and public cloud is used to unstructured data. Cloud storage evaluation. We can see in this diagram, cloud storage evaluation is divided into three parts: network storage, hosted storage, cloud-based storage. Network storage. It is directly connected to traditional storage. NFS is Network File System, CIFS is Common Internet File System. Hosted storage is related to computer. Cloud-based storage. It is directly used to cloud cloud storage system architecture. Cloud storage is a model of network computer data storage where data is stored on multiple virtual servers, generally hosted by third parties, rather than being hosted on dedicated server. Hosted company operates large data centers and people who require their data to be hosted by or lease storage capacity from them and use it for their storage needs. Cloud storage system architecture diagram. We can easily understand cloud storage system architecture. In this diagram, client computer is user side and data storage is server side. This is connected to a control node. So user can easily access data from data storage and store data. Cloud storage reference model. Storage to be provided on demand, draw from a pool of resources. Client will be able to discover the capabilities of the cloud storage offering and use this model to manage containers and the data is placed in them. Cloud Data Manager interface is the functional interface that application will use to create, retrieve, update, delete data elements from the cloud. So CDMI is the main function, interface function to use to retrieve, create, update and delete data from cloud. This interface is also used by administrative apps, management apps to manage containers, accounts, security, access, and monitoring billing information. The capabilities of the underlying storage and data services are exposed so that clients can understand the offering. We can see cloud storage reference model in this diagram. Clients acting in the role of using a data storage interface. In this diagram, we can see how data storage works and how user can access, store, retrieve data from data storage. Advantages. The main thing of cloud storage is its advantages. So, ease of management first. The maintenance of SW and general infrastructure to support storage is drastically simplified in the cloud. So we can say maintenance of data in cloud is easy, cost effectiveness. Cloud storage is a cost effectiveness data structure, lower impact outages and upgrades. Disaster recovery. In cloud storage, disaster of a data is easily recovered. Simplified planning. It is flexible and provide storage as needed. So we can say cloud storage provide as needed storage and every time. Challenges. Challenges in cloud storage is security, data integrity, computational power, replication time, cost, reliable. Security is main challenges. Sometimes hack our data from the data storage. Data integrity also problem. Sometimes user use different data storage to store their data. Cost, reliability, computational power is also disadvantages of cloud storage. Conclusion. Conclusion of cloud storage. Cloud storage with a great deal of promise is not designed to be high performing file system but rather extremely scalable. easy to manage storage systems. Cloud storage is a new concept. Its related products and research is still in the initial stage. With the rapid increase of data stored in the network, storage in the cloud will become increasingly important. Market demand will be more strongly. So we can say cloud storage is a new technology and we work on its future also. So cloud storage is important technology. Thank you everyone. Thank you my mentor for provide me